Former President Rodrigo Duterte's criminal case with the ICC is in the disclosure phase of pre-trial proceedings where the prosecution furnishes the defense with all its evidence and witnesses for the trial. So Duterte's legal team can prepare accordingly and are assured of no surprises once litigation kicks off. Today's development in the ICC is proof of Duterte's trial on track and moving forward, as our Hardy Valbuena narrates in this report.
A total of 181 items of evidence was disclosed by the International Criminal Court's Office of the Prosecutor to the camp of former President Rodrigo Duterte. This is in line with his crimes against humanity charges. A new document released in the ICC website states that the first set of evidence to be presented by the prosecution to the defense camp of Duterte was signed by ICC prosecutor Karim Khan. Though labeled as confidential, the prosecution says the items of evidence comprise the materials cited in the arrest warrant of Duterte. International law expert attorney Tony Lavinia explains this is just a part of the due process of the ICC and Duterte's camp will be afforded a chance to comment or answer. He also says the prosecution might add more witnesses before the finalization of all evidence and the confirmation of charges hearing of Duterte on September 23, 2025.
Fairness yan. It's a basic due process, di ba, na you will tell the person charged, we're charging you and this is the evidence against you. Pwede rin sabihin ng prosecutor na we are continuing to investigate. So ibig sabihin, meron pang ibang witnesses na darating later on.
43 killings in war on drugs were cited and attributed to Duterte's alleged crimes in his ICC case. This includes the 19 deaths allegedly perpetrated by the so-called Davao Death Squad during Duterte's time as Davao City Mayor and 24 killings in police operations during his presidency. Moreover, the ICC pre-trial chamber also ordered Duterte's camp to submit their observations on the confirmation proceedings. They have until April 11, 2025 to comply.